In continuation with the blood tests that we've done in the first trimester, let us see what are the tests that we do in the second half of the pregnancy or after the first trimester. The first test that is done along with your NT scan is called double marker test. This is done to screen if the baby has any genetic syndromes like trisomy 13, 18, 21. This is a screening test. After this, we do the next set of blood tests between 20 to 24 weeks. This is essentially done to rule out if you have developed any gestational diabetes. At this time, we do a test called glucose tolerance test. Now, this test is done after 8 hours of fasting. One fasting sample is drawn. Then a glucose challenge of 75 grams, that is 75 grams glucose powder mixed in water is given to you. Once you drink this glucose water, after 2 hours, another sample is drawn. So this test is called 75 grams glucose tolerance test. This is done anytime between 20 to 24 weeks. Along with this test, we would like to repeat your hemoglobin, a complete blood count, and a urine test. Complete blood count because in pregnancy there is expansion of blood volume because of which naturally the hemoglobin levels drop. And to see if we are supplementing enough iron or to see if we are keeping the hemoglobin at an optimal level, we repeat the complete blood count. Along with this, urine routine is a must because sometimes in pregnancy you can have asymptomatic urine infection. That is why it is essential to do these 3 tests between 20 to 24 weeks. Once this is done, the next set of blood tests are done in the third trimester, about 4 to 6 weeks prior to your delivery, and this includes doing a complete blood count again and a urine routine again. A complete blood count because we need to know if your hemoglobin blood levels are optimal prior to delivery, because sometimes we don't know how is the blood loss. Some patients, average blood loss 500 ml is, the body can tolerate it. But sometimes unexpectedly, if you have postpartum hemorrhage or excessive bleeding, then your body may not be able to tolerate it. Therefore, if you have your hemoglobin above 11 for sure, then, a small amount of blood loss, you can compensate naturally. That is why we optimize the hemoglobin right before your delivery itself.